Powers with negative exponents. Until now, we have been avoiding examples that result in powers with negative exponents for a better understanding of the properties and concepts. So, any real value a to the power of negative b is the same as having 1 divided by a to the power of positive b. Now, observe the following example. X to the power of minus 5. Using the property of negative exponents, we'll have 1 divided by x to the power of 5. Imagine now that we have a power of a quotient, x divided by y to the power of minus 1. Applying the power of a quotient, we'll have x to the power of minus 1 dividing by y to the power of minus 1. Now, using the property of powers with negative exponents, this is the same as switching the numerator and denominator, resulting in y dividing by x. We could also have separated x from y and applying the property individually. One last example. Imagine that now we want to have negative exponents instead of positive ones. The property is the same, and that is proven in the same way. X divided by 2 to the power of 2. We only want x to have a negative exponent. Now, we don't want to switch the numerator with the denominator because we only want x to have a negative exponent. And so, it's better to separate into a product after applying the power of a quotient, having x squared multiplying by 1 dividing by 2 to the power of 2. Applying the property and transforming x into a power with negative exponent, we'll finally have 1 divided by x to the power of minus 2, this multiplying by 1/4, that is equal to 1 divided by 4 times x to the power of minus 2.